Hey there, today I have a Nadine West unboxing for you, or I guess unbagging. This is my third time trying Nadine West. It's another one of those online styling service, or this is a subscription service, but it's supposed to be more affordable. You get less items and the price point is definitely a lot lower than Stitch Fix. So I'll take it out. They really fit a lot of stuff in this little bag though, I have to say. Okay, so there's the prepaid postage label, and along with a statement or an invoice. There isn't a note, it just kind of says the item, so it's just an itemized, like a statement. And here's my bundle. So here it is. So let's see. So the first item looks like, ooh, it's a very long, flowy tunic top. And I really do like this color. And it's by Misia. Misia? Size small. And it looks like it has these 3/4 length sleeves and very flowy. It has a metal hardware in the front. Okay, so that's the first item, and it's in the color mauve, and it's $21.74, which isn't a bad price for this actually. It's rayon, 95%, 5% spandex, hand wash, dry flat. Next is another top. This is by the brand Zenana Outfitters. Now, this is the kind of top I kind of like. I actually got some t-shirts that were similar to this from Amazon. The Amazon ones actually came in a 2-pack. Let's see how much this one is. This one is $24.49, yeah, because the Amazon ones came in a 2-pack for $24. Oh, and this is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Not bad. I mean, it's very basic and cute, and it's more of a tunic length. I'll try that on. And then I also have 2 jewelry items, and it looks like glasses. And it has a very cute bag. It's got popsicles on it. Oh, sunglasses, yeah. Okay, so these are oval retro for $14.99. Optical quality, 100% UV protection. The plastic does feel kind of cheap, but I will try these on for you later. And then it looks like I have a necklace and matching earrings. Okay, here's the necklace. I'm not really feeling this one. So this is just a gold necklace. It's long, like that. I mean, it's okay. It's $23.99 for this necklace. It has matching earrings. Oh, the earrings are cute. Actually, they're not too big. Designed in USA, crafted in China. These are actually kind of cute. Let's see. Okay, so it's lead compliant. That's good. Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's Nadine West bag. You know, to be honest, I'm going to try everything on and see. I'm kind of on the fence with Nadine West. We'll see how the items look and everything. I might actually cancel the service after this month, but we'll see. One thing I like about it is it is more affordable, and it is fun to get things in the mail. And actually last month I got this necklace, and I really like it actually, and I've worn it a lot, so. Sometimes you just never know. So, okay, I will go ahead and try everything on. Okay, so here is actually the black t-shirt. And I like the shape of it. It's kind of a nice flowy, is it a trapeze? Yeah, I think so, the way it kind of poofs out like that. And it's nice. It's got kind of a scoop neckline, which isn't too low. The material is, to me, kind of thin. It does feel thin. I don't know how it's going to wash, if it's going to totally shrink. But I like the length. And I think, I've just got it with some skinny jeans, but I think you could also wear this with leggings. I think it's actually very nice. I do have a black shirt that's very similar though. So we'll see. Okay, so here is the second top, or the pink top. This is actually pretty cute too. It has kind of a different, is that called a handkerchief hem? So it's like uneven. And it's long, and you can definitely wear this with leggings. But you can also wear it with skinny jeans, and I just have it paired with jeans. And it has kind of an interesting neckline. It's kind of different. Okay, and here is the necklace. Yeah, I don't like it actually. It's okay. I mean, it's not bad. Let's try on these sunglasses and see. Okay, here we go. Here's the sunglasses. What do you think? Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Nadine West bag. Overall, I thought the items were okay. You know, I don't think the quality of the jewelry was worth the price. So I think I'll be returning those. The sunglasses, you can just tell that they're kind of cheap. I mean, I could probably find sunglasses cheaper even than this at Ross. The tops, this one was, it was okay. I didn't really care for the style. To me, it just seemed a little dated for some reason. And the only item that I kind of liked was this black t-shirt. And it's just a very basic t-shirt. I like the cut. And I might just keep this because then I can apply my shipping charge, which is $9.78. So this t-shirt was $24.49. And it would be like basically $15. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. So anyway, thanks again. Take care. Bye now.